My name is Kevin Miller. I'm Executive Director of Facilities and Capital Projects here at Hampden-Sydney College. And we're in Venable Hall, 200-year-old residence hall that we have just completed a historic preservation renovation project. We're still trying our best to be diligent to make sure that we are paying respect for those structures. We see value in performing the historical study, not just a building assessment, but actually understanding the building, why it was there, what were the decisions made over time that helps you infer some of the decisions of what you may run into during the renovation. But it's also shown us the value in partnerships with firms like MCWB who understand historic preservation and know how to help us navigate that process and not make it intimidating.